Recording.
Ready?
Yeah. His eyes is open. His eyes is open.
Oh, that's right.
What is that? That's the holocaust. You guys give me scared, girl. This is like Tanya, yo. Isn't his worship one? He's like, gonna wake up and kick your ass.
See you there.